Your business isn't failing, it's leaking. You don't need more leads, you need fewer leaks. Time leaks, labor leaks, revenue leaks. I've worked with companies doing 500,000 to 15 million, and they all have the same problem. They have no central system, no documented process, and no way to scale without burnout. 25 years ago, I was certifying manufacturing plants to ISO 9001-2000 standards, and today I bring that same rigor to fast-growing service businesses, cleaning companies, and home improvement contractors, and manufacturing companies. If you feel like you're hustling harder but not getting ahead, this is your sign. It's time to install systems that don't leak. Let's fix the foundation.